Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my Winter 2018 FabFitFun unboxing. Okay, we had a little technical difficulties trying to get this sorted, but I'm here, okay? I'm looking at my monitor and my battery light is flashing, so I'm like, seriously, can I get through this video? So we're gonna see if I can get through this. Let's see. So if you guys want to see all the products that I received in the Winter FabFitFun box, stay tuned. Okay, and here we are with the Winter 2018 FabFitFun box. And what is FabFitFun, you ask? Okay, I'm gonna tell you what it is. I know my face was just right in the camera. What the FabFitFun box is, it is a subscription box that you get every season. So you get one spring, summer, fall, and winter, full of different things: jewelry, makeup, workout stuff, gardening stuff, fashion. I mean, you get a lot of different stuff. This necklace that I wear, that you guys see me wear every week, that says dream on it, I actually got this from a FabFitFun box. And a lot of other things that I have used. I've even gifted people some things from FabFitFun boxes. So this is a really cool box to get. I have a link down in the description box so you can get $10 off your very first box. So don't forget to click that link. But in the meantime, let's open this box that I just received yesterday. All right, we got the box open. I want to, and then things fall out the box. Of course they do. But here's the box right here. And we have not broken the seal. But what fell out the box is the booklet with, looks like Brooke Burke on the cover. Let's see. I remember Brooke Burke when she wasn't she like one of the reporters on Entertainment Tonight, I think? And then she was married to one of those guys from, what was that show? Baywatch. I think she was married to one of the Baywatch guys. Or she's still married to him. I don't know. But in this booklet right here, this actually shows everything that's in the box and all the different things about FabFitFun. We are not going to open this box. We are going to be all surprised together. So we're going to put this book down here on the floor. Another thing that fell out the box is from HelloFresh. I have not tried HelloFresh, but I've heard nothing but good things about it. HelloFresh is a meal. I don't know if it's a club or a plan. I don't know. But they actually send you meals. And everything is all in there. All the ingredients, all that stuff to give you the instructions on how to cook it and all of that. So in here is a $60 gift card and $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus 3 free shipping. And they gave me a code for it and I have to claim it within 30 days. And like, here's some of the meals. See if I can do that. There we go. Here's some of the meals that you get with FabFitFun. You got like a lot of chicken meals. You got your Mexican, your pasta. It's a lot of cool stuff. I want to try it, but getting deliveries to my house is a bit of an issue. So I'll see. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this, okay? The next thing in the box is from FabFitFun. This is also another code that I can give you guys, which what I'll do is I'll put this code in also in the description box for you to get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. Basically, you get like $200 worth of stuff for like $39.99. Come on, it's not a bad deal. Normally it's $49.99, but with this code you get, or with the code from me, it's $39.99. Let's break the seal. Let's break the seal. We're gonna break the seal. Seal broken. And oh, let's see what we start with. Let's start with the green box on top. Here it is right here. This is a jade roller. I've seen these. I've seen these jade rollers before. They're for your skin. Let's see, what is this? Apply for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Gently roll in an upwards motion. I think this helps make your skin smooth. Here it is right here. That's what it looks like. You got a little roller, a little small roller on the bottom and a big roller on the top. I'm not gonna do it on my face right now because I have a full face of makeup on that's been on my face since about 4 o'clock this morning. And it is now currently 4:50 in the evening. So y'all, so this makeup is lived in, okay? So I'm not going to use this right now, but if you guys want to know more about it, I can do a future video on it, so let me know, okay? So the next thing in Lay Box is from Morphe for Anthropology Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whipped Body Cream. Here it is right here. Wow. Anthropology is my sister, one of my sisters. She loves Anthropology. She loves their clothing and everything. And I've been in a few times. It's a pretty cool store. So this is actually really cool to get a whipped body butter. Oh, shoot. Freaking thing on it. Can't smell it. But I'll let y'all. I'll put it below how it smells. Okay. So we'll talk about that later. And the next thing in here is from Afia. It's a hydration cream mask. And is this for face or hair? I cannot remember. I've seen this brand before and I'm trying to remember, is this for hair or face? This is, let's see. Oh, it's for skin. It's for skin. Here you go right here. Let me pull back so you guys can get a better view of it. I may insert pictures on the side. If I do, they're going to be right over here. I probably will. I don't know. You know me. I try to get as much done as humanly possible for y'all. And the next thing in here is Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for dry and damaged hair. Here you go right here. If I am not mistaken, I think this is the same Moroccan. No, I didn't buy that one. I bought a different Moroccan. Here we go right here. Here's what the jar looks like. This is pretty cool. Let's see, can we get a smell test? Can we smell it? Here it is right here. Doesn't smell bad, actually. And you all know how I am about deep conditioners and hair masks. So, yes, I will be putting this to the test. And I will be talking about it in a future video. Don't worry at all about that. I just dropped that and then went upside down. Here we go. Don't worry. There will be a video on that one. The next thing that I have in the box is from Black. It is an eye mask with a hyaluronic acid, and it has 5 masks in the box. Here we go right here. Let's see, late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights can have our peppered looking well, not so fresh. Have our peepers. I can't read. Seriously, I cannot read. Let's start that over. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights can have our peepers looking well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back your shiny, gorgeous self. All I had to do is freaking read. It's been a long day. I've been up since 3:30, y'all. Y'all know I had to go to work today. Shoot. Anyway, next thing in the box is from Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Here's the box right here. It's a really beautiful box. Let's see. Can I get into it really quick so you guys can see it? Oh, and here it is right here. I've seen this before. I've never used a dry shampoo, and I think I have another dry shampoo from another FabFitFun box I've never tried. But if you guys want me to try out some dry shampoos and let y'all know how they are, let me know below in the comment section. I have no problem. Let me put this right here. I have no problem, you know, trying them out. Something different. I've never tried a dry shampoo, okay? And the next thing here is a, oh, it's from Brooke Burke. Let's see what this is. It's a disc of some sort. Let's open it up here. And this is a Get Fit with Brooke Burke. And what is it? Brooke has created exclusive videos. Okay, so there's videos for this. What is it? What is it, Brooke? What we doing, girl? Okay, it's like 2 discs. I'm wondering, are these kind of like sliders that you can slide on the floor and you can do like floor exercises with? Let me look. Let's grab the book. Like I said, I normally do not use the book, but let's see what it says in le book. All right, you know what? I'll put it below. And the next thing in the box is from, let's see, this is a Brilliant Eye Brightener from Thrive Cosmetics. It is a, let's see, it is a highlighting stick. Here it is right here. Here's the box right here. And here it is. Okay, see if I can do a little swatchy swatch of it right there. There we go. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. I'm not that bad with swatches, but the way the light is not really catching it. But this is a very pretty highlighter. It's not sparkly like a lot of highlighters out there, so I wouldn't mind trying this. Actually, this kind of reminds me of, not, what is it? Beach. One of my highlighters I have from NARS. Actually, NARS, all of NARS highlighters are not very bright. So actually, it kind of makes me think of a NARS highlighter. And the last thing in the box is from Mark & Graham Personalized Gifts. This is a throw blanket. That's right. It is a throw blanket. Here it is right here. And it is a pretty color. It looks gray. I can't really tell because of my lighting. It's either gray or white, but it's really, really pretty. And let's see, show us how you style your Mark & Graham blanket by tagging hashtag #mymarkandgraham. Oh, okay. So I'll make sure I take a picture in this and show me in my banky. And knowing me, it's probably going to be at work because it gets cold in the office. Or actually, I might have it here because it gets cold in here too. Especially in the living room, it's always cold in there. So, and that is it for everything in the box. Put the blanket down, and here is the empty box. Everything is all out of there, and that's it. We're all done. We are going to get on out of here. I'm going to shoot some photos. And that's it. I gotta go. I'm gonna get this video edited so you guys can have it for today, which is Sunday for you. It's Friday for me, so I'm shooting it a couple of days early for you guys. So like I said, if you guys have any questions on any of the products that I showed you in this box, talk to me below. And if you guys want to see any videos talking about any of the products, talk to me below. Also, I have videos on the sides. The last 2 haul videos, my sneaker haul and my birthday haul, man, those were crazy. And there's still stuff that I haven't unboxed yet. We're not going to talk about that. I'm going to get out of here. If you guys have any questions, like I said, all my socials were at the beginning. You guys saw my social screens now. So I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.